Have you ever walked into your closet, look everything that you own, and you thought, I wish there was a reset button and start all over again? If you have ever felt that heaviness in your chest, that frustration, that sense of disconnection between who you used to be and who you are now, I understand you completely because I used to be in that place. My life has changed in so many ways. I moved from another country. We didn't have any seasons. I became a mother twice, and now I am transitioning again and becoming a mother for the third time. And even though pregnancy is beautiful, it also forces you to look your wardrobe way different. You become more intentional, more practical, and you stop investing in pieces that you're not gonna wear again. And in that process of being super thoughtful, a few things starts to happen. And I think this is very powerful and helpful for you in your style journey. You start asking yourself who I am, what feels good in my body, what represents my lifestyle today. So today's video is not just to declutter, it's a reflection of your overall style and how you feel right now. I would call it an emotional reset or a wardrobe rebirth because we're gonna go deep in this one. And maybe you're going to a different transition than me, but I am sure this is gonna be super helpful. And the first part is gonna be understanding how we got here. Because let's be honest, most of us didn't wake up one day and open our closet and find like a super chaotic closet. It happened slowly, piece by piece, sale by sale, holiday after holiday, and trend by trend. Maybe we bought for who we wanted to be, or simply we bought for a season of our lives that is already gone. You bought because you were influenced, you were exhausted, overwhelmed, or simply and you just bought. And you just open one day your closet and realize that that wasn't you, that doesn't feel any more like you. And those pieces don't reflect who you are anymore. And let's be real, releasing things, it's more emotional than we think. It is confronting, but this step is necessary because before we rebuild our closet, we need to understand what no longer belongs there. So let's start with rule number one: stop chasing trends and start studying yourself first. And this is the first rule for any closet reset because you don't need to chase any trends. You don't need to keep up. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Instead, you need to study yourself. So let's ask yourselves these 5 key questions. What colors do I naturally gravitate towards? What pieces do I wear on repeat all the time? What silhouettes make me feel confident? What feels authentic? What styles complement the lifestyle that I have right now? Because when you stop chasing trends, you begin to build a wardrobe that has longevity, harmony, and clarity. As a custom designer, I have learned that every character has their own visual identity, and in real life, you are the character. Your lifestyle is your script, your wardrobe is your visual language, and your personal style is your signature. That sounds like a poem. So before we buy anything, let's do a lifestyle audit. You're gonna ask yourself, what roles do I play in my life daily? What do I actually do from morning to night? What types of clothes those activities require? As a mother, my wardrobe needs to be super comfortable and practical. As a businesswoman, because I have my own business, I need elevated and polished pieces. As someone that always travels between 2 countries, Colombia and United States, I need layers and super versatile outfits. And as a pregnant woman, I need softness and flexibility because your wardrobe should work for your life, not for Instagram trends. So the invitation here is that you do your own lifestyle audit. And this is honestly one of the biggest shortcuts to build a cohesive audit. And that would be get expert advice. And I am talking about style and color. A color analysis will help you stop guessing what color suits you, buy clothes that brighten your face instantly, create harmony in your closet, spend much less, build cohesive capsule wardrobes, saves you a ton of time and also a ton of money in clothes that you shouldn't be buying. It also helps you to find the perfect color for your hair, the perfect color for your nails, the perfect color for your lipstick, for your eyeshadows, even for your eyebrows, your blush, for your foundation, for so many things that I really want to suggest you to do a color analysis. And a style consultation helps you understand your proportion, your silhouettes, your best fit. It can help you build your visual identity and your lifestyle alignment with your wardrobe. This is a step that many people skip and is one big step that can change everything. So if you can get a proper color analysis, get it, invest in yourself. If not, you can study the basics. There are tons of videos on YouTube, or let me know if you want me to create one, because I do that as a profession. You can understand about undertones, contrast, saturation, temperature, and this knowledge will save you tons of thousands of dollars over the time. I also have this service in my website, but if you wanna study and do it for yourself, there are plenty of YouTube videos that you can watch and take the time to understand your colors. And same for my style services. If you can study them and apply to your wardrobe and your outfits, that would be great. If not, also I have an application to work with me one-on-one. I will let the link down below. Let's go with quality instead of quantity, because this is where your wardrobe transforms completely. Stop collecting duplicates. Stop buying fast fashion quick fixes. Stop filling your closet with temporary excitement that doesn't serve you in the long way. You can start choosing better fabrics and better materials, or maybe a better blend. It can be wool, cashmere, real leather, cotton, linen, structured high quality fabrics, just in general better blends that last longer. One high quality coat is worth more than 5 trendy ones and cheap ones. One pair of beautiful leather boots is worth more than 10 impulse purchases. And trust me, your future self will thank you a lot. Next rule will be actively dress and practice your style. 2 minutes. And this is the part that no one talks about. You can't think your way into good style. You have to practice it. Every day, just try something. Put on a real outfit, practice your silhouettes, build combinations, learn textures, try color mixes. Just start training your eyes and take photos to review, to see what you think. Because when you see yourself from the outside, you learn faster. You discover patterns. You find your comfort zones and your opportunities for expansion. Style is a muscle, and the more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Okay, my next one is duplicate detox. Just because you love something, it doesn't mean that you need to buy it in every single color. If you have 10 similar sweaters, 6 pairs of the same boots, 4 versions of the same jeans, 3 identical coats, you're not building a wardrobe. You're building confusion. So going forward, choose variety and strategy. One great version of the single item is enough. Number 8, color. And this is the fastest way to level up, because color is everything. When you know your palette, you dress up better, faster, and smarter. You stop forcing the colors that drain you. You stop buying the pieces that sit forever in your closet, and you finally start building harmony in your closet. Everything matches, everything feels cohesive, and everything feels intentional. That is the ultimate style accelerator. Number 9, wear everything. Please stop saving your beautiful pieces for a special occasion. Life itself is a beautiful occasion. Wear your good coat, wear your favorite bag, wear that high quality sweater that you love, wear the expensive shoes, wear just all the pieces that you love, and don't save it for any special occasion, because the special occasion is you. Number 10, create uniforms. This is one of the most effective life hacks. Create uniforms for every role in your lifestyle. For example, mom uniform, cozy knit, easy jeans, comfortable boots, work uniform, tailored pants, blouse, structured layer. For a travel uniform, leggings, long coat, scarf, sneakers. For a dinner uniform, sorry, my dog is going cuckoo over there. Dinner uniform can be mini dress, boots, and an elegant coat. Oreo, Oreo amor. For errand uniform, matching sets, oversized coat, easy shoes. Uniform just save you so much time. They reduce decision fatigue and increase consistency. And most importantly, they make your style recognizable. Style rule number 11. From now on, your wardrobe deserves intention. If it's not a hell yes, it is a no. No, maybe I'm gonna wear it someday, tomorrow. It was on sale. It's cute, but not me. I might need it for an occasion. No. It's either perfect for your life today or is a totally no. And trust me, this rule alone will transform your outfit. Rule number 12. Just educate yourself. Try to explore fashion, study silhouettes, learn about proportion. Play with outfit architecture. Look into designers that you admire or that you love. Try to understand a little bit more about fabrics. Read about personal style theories or about style psychology, because the more you understand style, the more intentional you're gonna be with your own style. Knowledge accelerates transformations. And the last rule is be yourself and be confident. At the end of the day, the most powerful style is authenticity. No pressure, no trends, no other people's expectations. Know what you should wear. Your style belongs to you, and confidence comes from wearing what feels aligned. And true elegance comes from knowing who you are and dressing up accordingly, because the best fashion is the one you embody naturally. Your wardrobe always should support your life, not complicated, and your style should feel like home. That cozy feeling that you are excited to get home, well, that's the same for your style. And those are the 13 style rules. If you are in a season of change, this might be your sign. This is all for today's video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I will know that you like it and it helped you. Please share with someone that find this video super helpful. So please like, subscribe, hit the bell button to know when my next video is up. I'm usually posting Tuesdays and Saturdays. So thank you for being here. As always, I'm very, very grateful that you're here. Be kind to yourself, love yourself, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.